Rice is globally enjoyed because it's budget friendly and you can cook different recipes out of rice. In this recipe, we're going to be making some delicious, flavorful coconut stir-fried rice, which is going to be filled with lots of veggies, loaded with proteins, with a very nice umami flavor, and it's going to be filling. I've been soaking my rice for around 10 minutes, and this is 1.5 cups of rice. And also I've prepped up a few veggies. We have some garlic, carrots, onions, assorted peppers, and also we have some frozen mushrooms, which are going to come in handy. We have smokies, together with a few other ingredients, which are going to find listed in the description box down below. So we are going to start off by cooking our rice. And I'm going to be using a heavy bottomed pot to cook my rice. A chicken stock cube. Toss the chicken stock cube for around 30 seconds. Then you're going to drain water from the rice and add in the pan. Toss the rice for around 30 seconds, and this is going to add in a nice smoky flavor to the rice. Then next you're going to be adding in your coconut cream. This is a third cup. Add in some salt. Stir in, and immediately the coconut cream hits the pot, the aroma in the kitchen is going to be so good. Yeah, it's going to be super exciting. So next we're going to add in 3 cups of water because we are cooking 1.5 cups of rice. Stir in the water, then you're going to wait for around a minute so that the water can come to a boil. Check the seasoning. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in some more salt. My water has come to a boil. I need a little bit more salt. Just a tiny bit of salt. Then I'm going to let the rice cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. I'm going to pick up a pan. And place over medium flame. Add in 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then I'm going to drop in my smokies. You can also use sausages. The recipe is super versatile, so you can use some pork, chicken, beef sausages for the recipe. So once you've placed the sausage in the pan, you're going to cook for around 20 to 30 seconds on each side, or until you get a nice lovely color on your smokies. Once your sausages are ready, you're going to transfer back to your plate. Add in your onions. Once your onions are starting to get that light golden brown color, you're going to add in 4 cloves of garlic. You can double, triple the garlic because you can never get enough of it. Then you're going to saute for around 30 seconds to 45 seconds. And during this time, the garlic is going to soften up, cook, and get very flavorful. It's been 5 minutes, and as you can see, the water is fully evaporated. So I'm going to reduce the flames to low. Cover my rice and simmer for 5 minutes while I check on my onions and garlic. When everything is ready, you're going to add in your frozen mushrooms or fresh mushrooms. Then you're going to saute for around 2 minutes. As the mushrooms are cooking, they're going to release their own water. So you'll wait until the water is fully evaporated. At this point, I'm going to add in my carrots. Saute together with the mushrooms. Add in a little bit of seasoning. And I'm going to add in lots of black pepper and a touch of salt because we're going to be adding in some soy sauce. And remember, we have already seasoned the rice, so you don't want to make the dish very salty. Then you're going to chop up your smokies to your own preferred size. This is the size I'm going for. And after a minute, this is how your carrot should be looking. You're going to add in assorted peppers. Stir in. Add in your chopped up smokies. Cook for around 45 seconds to a minute because everything is already cooked, and also my rice is perfectly cooked. So I'm going to use a spatula, scoop out the rice and transfer to the pan. Smelling so good. Just look how gorgeous everything is looking. So I'm going to check the seasoning. Add in a teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Stir in. Don't stir in the rice too much because it's going to break apart. So after a few seconds, everything is fully combined and the seasoning is perfect. It's time to serve. My coconut stir fried rice is ready and I've already presented mine in a nice bowl and everything is looking absolutely amazing. We have different colors because we have different vegetables. There is also smokies and some mushrooms. The rice is perfectly cooked and very flavorful from adding in the coconut cream, and it's well seasoned. Each bite is going to be amazing, so hope you'll be giving this recipe a try, which needs very few ingredients.